In this video, I will show you how to install Blender on Android. So to get started, go ahead and open the browser on your Android device. So you can use any browser available to you. You can use the Google Chrome browser or the default browser available to your device. And here, go ahead and search for Blender Player. And on the search results, you'll be able to find this blender.org result. So click on that and you'll be able to get redirected into this section. So go ahead and zoom that in to be able to look on that. And here, go ahead and click on that Android template 8.2012 and download the Blender 8.19.12 APK to be able to install the app on your device. So now go ahead and head over into your download section by clicking on the top right of your screen and clicking on the downloads button. Click on that APK to be able to install that on your device. Now once you click on the install button, the installation process will start for your device, and once it's done, you'll be able to use Blender on your Android device. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.